Hi guys, how are you all and welcome back to my channel. Today's my topic is about water. Water is one of the basic necessity of our life. Water is regarded as the necessity and the basic necessity where which we cannot live without it. Not only the human beings, even plants to make their food, animals to survive on this planet, we human beings need water for various activities so that we all needed to consume water as much as our body needs. Not only the external consumption of water, water provides various activities. It regulates various functions in our body also. Almost the 70% of the body is composed of water. And I'm going to tell you now the important thing which we all are you people are waiting, how water had a very vital role in the weight loss journeys also. Let me tell you one story. When I was in my 11th grade, my grandmother used to ask me to drink a liter of water every day in the morning without fail. Why? Then I understood that water has number of various benefits such as detoxification, cleansing out the toxins, it helps you to regulate your metabolism, what not. Water does wonders for your skin, so that we are recommended to drink almost 2.5 to 3 liters of water per day, as it is consumed mandatory. Some of the foods contain more amount of water such as broccoli and cucumber. These are also one of the reasons that people consume a lot, and we need to consume that food because it fills our hunger and helps you to flush the toxins out from your body. And then water have a vital role in our inside metabolism also. Almost the brain contains the largest amount of water. The excess water which we do not require goes into in the form of urine, and if you take more amount of water also, it is not good for your overall health, as kidneys take difficulty in urinating the overloaded water from our body. So that everything must be done in a balance. Balance is everything on this planet. Consume water, save water, and let us give the water for the next generation also. And one more thing, when we are thirsty, we tend to eat because we do not know that is thirst or hunger. We inject all the unnecessary calories into the body and our system confuses, so that it leads to weight gain also. If you like this video, or if you had taken a value from this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until then, bye bye.